Hi everyone, thanks for supporting my channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about the 1% habit that rebuilds self-esteem from zero to hero. What if that nagging voice in your head is wrong? We're all told to dream big, but when you're starting from a place of self-esteem, massive goals often backfire. You miss one day at the gym, you break one promise to yourself, and that inner critic gets louder, saying, "See, I told you so." Every broken promise is another crack in the foundation of your self trust. But what if you could silence that critic? Not with a grand gesture, but with something so small it feels like cheating. What if you could rebuild your entire sense of self worth and just one tiny promise you keep to yourself each day? This is the story of the 1% habit. The 1% habit is this: keep one small promise to yourself every single day. That's it. It's not about transforming your whole life overnight. It's about proving to yourself that your word matters. Self esteem grows from self trust, and self trust is built on evidence. This habit manufactures that evidence. It works because of a principle called self perception theory. We figure out who we are by observing what we do. When you consistently act like a reliable person, your brain starts to update its belief about who you are. The key is to make the promise so small that it's almost impossible not to do it. I'll give you an example. Drink one glass of water before your morning coffee. Read one page of a book. Tidy just your nightstand. The goal isn't the action, it's building the muscle of follow throughs. Section 2: How to implement the habit and silence the critic. First, choose one and only one promise. The magic is in the focus. Second, anchor your new habit to an existing one. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will immediately read one page of my book. This creates an automatic trigger. Third, and this is the crucial one, acknowledge your win. After you complete the action, say to yourself, "I did what I said I would do." This simple sentence consciously registers the evidence you're building. Over the first week, your inner critic, which thrives on inconsistency, doesn't have much work to do with. After a month, that silence starts to feel like a new kind of quiet, steady confidence. You are creating a new identity, one small win at a time. For so long, you might have thought that the path to self worth was a heroic, intimidating climb, but you were wrong. The path isn't a mountain, it's a simple, flat step taken over and over again. The 1% habit isn't about the promise itself, it's a quiet declaration that you are worthy of your own loyalty. By keeping one small promise every day, you begin to write a new story, a story of consistency, a story of integrity, a story where you are the person you can finally count on. If this idea of building self worth from the ground up resonates with you, subscribe to this channel for more practical strategies. And in the comments below, share the one tiny promise you are going to make to yourself today. Let's celebrate these small wins together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.